If you have been seeing videos of where people put themselves in a circular shape, just like a kind of tutorial, especially kind of tutorial videos, where the person is teaching you how to do a certain thing is in a video, and another video is also showing in a circular form, showing the person's face, showing how the person explains what's happening in the video. If you have come across that kind of video and you've been wondering how do they create this kind of video, or you'll be searching for, you'll be making research on how they create those kind of videos, so don't worry, sit back. I will be right here to teach you and guide you how to create that kind of video. When you see yourself, you can place yourself in a circular shape that explains what happens in your videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the tutorial where I will guide you on how to create those kind of videos, and you'll be happy. Just watch till the end to see how it creates. You'll be able to create that kind of video by yourself. So the first thing that you should do is to get the video that you want to use ready. Then go to your CapCut, open your CapCut, then click on new project. The video that you want to use, import it like this. So let's assume that this is the first video that I want to use, maybe like a kind of the tutorial video where you explain certain things in your videos. Maybe it might not even be your video, like it might not even be showing your face like that. Then for the video that you want to put in a circular shape, you click on overlay, come down here, click on overlay, click on add overlay. Then for instance, if it's this video that you want to put in a circular shape, you click on it, then click on add, then look for mask, then come down here and click on mask. So once you click on mask, this circle shape here, you click on it. Once you click on that circle, you click on good, then you drag it to anywhere you want to place it. If you want to reduce the circular shape, you can use your two fingers to reduce it like this. If you want to increase it like this. Then and place it to any position of your choice. If you want to place it here, it's fine. If you want to place it here, it's still okay. For this tutorial, let's just leave it here. So let's check our video and see what we got here. So can you see it? Can you see this one on circular shape here? This is the one we just overlaid here. So it's as simple as ABC. You can just overlay. As hard as possible for you to be able to. So it's as simple as ABC. You can just edit your own and see that there's nothing there. So if you watch to this extent, do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.